Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate you how to do the supervised classification in ENVI. Let me open the image to do the analysis today. First, I have to give the ROI, region of interest, means define the ROI for each classes. So just click here, I'll get the ROI. Let me zoom in. First, I'm selecting the urban area. This is the urban area. Urban. Now I'm selecting the other one, maybe the forest here. I can give the sample from the multiple locations. Please be confirm while giving the sample. The samples should be very pure. Here I am afraid this is the shadow area, different color, this one. And this is the bright area, but both of them are false. If I do classifications based on only this sample, this area may be classified in the different classes. So I'm doing it for the separate classes, but the exact land cover type is the same. Forest 1. I'm selecting this area is the forest 2. Maybe I'll give the name this also. This is the shadow area, maybe the shadow of the cloud or the shadow of the mountain itself. Or here as well, they have the very similar signatures. I have noticed that. Okay, this is forest 2. Let me classify this cloud cover as a separate class. If you would like to change the color, you have the options here like this. I'm leaving it as a default color at the moment. I have the options to change the color once I'll receive the classification result as well. I have already did the sampling for the urban area, forest, two types of the forest, and cloud. Now let me give some sample from the agricultural area here. This looks like the agricultural area. They are very scattered, so I have to select the sample very carefully. Agriculture. Let me try to do this. Actually, urban area or forest area were quite easy to give the sample. Here very few area left is agriculture in this valley. That's why it's getting silence to give the proper sample. But here is a relatively bigger patch of agriculture here as well. I'm not sure this core could be the forest area, but I believe it is agriculture. At least it is very close to agriculture. this one. Now we have urban, forest, cloud, agriculture, river network, and water body. That means we want the supervised classifications. Here are number of supervised classifications available in the ENVI. Just go here, classification, and then there is the supervised classifications. Here are different options. We are trying for the parallelepiped. Okay, this one is for parallelepiped. I'm using all the bands, all the available 6 bands here in this image. Just okay, select all, choose the output file, keep the location, remote sensing lab, test results, then I'm going to give the PED parallelepiped method dot. Okay, the computer, so I just keep it in the temporary memory, then click OK. This is quite fast. See, I got this result. Mostly here we can see this is the urban area, this is the agriculture or small vegetations area, this green is the forest, and blue is also forest. Here this in the next time we will give more classes and more sample for the agriculture, and then we'll continue classifications. Thank you for watching this video.